How many more customers could you reach if your marketing strategy was 145% more effective? In today's competitive market, HVAC and plumbing businesses need every edge they can get. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock that advantage with proven digital marketing strategies that consistently outperform national benchmarks. Welcome to Mastering Marketing, your daily dose of marketing wisdom. Hey everyone, I'm Keith Hanshaw, and I have spent years helping HVAC and plumbing businesses like yours achieve outstanding results through digital marketing. Today, we're diving deep into two powerful strategies that are driving real success in your industry: Google search ads and responsive display ads. Whether you're looking to grow your business or simply stay ahead of the competition, these insights will help you make smarter, more effective marketing decisions. So grab something to drink, sit back, and let's get into it. First up, let's explore Google search ads. Now, why are Google search ads so effective? Well, it all comes down to intent, right? When someone searches for HVAC repair or plumbing services, they're not just browsing, they're actively looking for a solution. That's why being the first name that they see in search results is so crucial. Here's a scenario. Imagine someone's air conditioning breaks down in the middle of a heat wave. They pick up their smartphone, they open a browser, and they go to Google, and they search emergency AC repair near me. If your business appears at the top of that search, you've just captured a high intent customer at the exact moment that they need your services. That's the power of Google search ads. But it's not just about being visible, it's about being relevant. Your ad needs to speak directly to the customer's problem and offer a clear, compelling solution. For an example, an ad that says fast, reliable HVAC repair 24/7 service directly addresses the urgency and need for reliability. This relevancy increases the chance of that potential customer clicking on your ad and contacting your business. Let's talk results from my perspective. Our strategies have consistently outperformed industry benchmarks. We're achieving a click-through rate that's 145% more effective than the national average. But what does that really mean? It means that more people are clicking on our ads because they find them relevant and compelling. Every click isn't just a visitor to your website, it's a potential customer with a need, and your business is positioned as the solution. And it doesn't stop there. Once a potential customer clicks on your ad, the experience that they have on your website is just as important. Your website is your first impression to a new customer. So we work to ensure that the landing pages connected to these ads are optimized for conversion. That means clear messaging, easy navigation, and a strong call to action like call now for a free estimate. We want to make it as easy as possible for that customer to move from interest to action. Now let's take a moment to dive deeper into how Google AdWords, also known as Google Ads, actually works. At its core, Google Ads operates on a pay-per-click or PPC model. This means that you only pay when somebody clicks on your ad. It's a highly cost-effective way to ensure that your advertising dollars are spent on attracting potential customers who are genuinely interested in your services. Here's how it works. When someone searches for a term related to your business, like HVAC repair near me or emergency plumbing services, Google displays a list of search results. At the top of these search results, you often see ads marked with a small ad label. These are Google ads. To get your ad to appear here, you bid on keywords, specific keywords or phrases that are relevant to your services. But it's not just about bidding the highest amount. Google also considers the quality of your ad, the relevance of your keywords you've chosen, and the landing page experience that you provide. This combination of factors is known as your quality score. A higher quality score can actually lower your costs and improve the placement of your ad because Google wants to show ads that are the most relevant to the user search. So once your ad is displayed, the user decides whether or not to click on it. If they do, They'll be taken to a landing page on your website where you have the opportunity to convert that visitor into a customer. This is why having a well optimized landing page is so important. It's where the user decides whether to call you, fill out a form, or schedule a service. The beauty of Google Ads is the level of control and precision it offers. You can set your own budget, target specific geographic areas, and even schedule your ads to run during the times when your potential customers are most likely to be searching. Plus, with Google's robust analytics, you can track exactly how your ads are performing in real time. You'll know how many people are seeing your ads, how many are clicking, and how many are converting into actual leads or customers. This data allows you to continuously refine and optimize your campaigns, ensuring you're getting the best possible return on your investment. In summary, Google Ads work by connecting you with customers at the exact moment that they're searching for the services that you offer, giving you a direct line to people who are ready to take action. By leveraging the power of PPC and the insights from Google's analytics, you can build a highly effective marketing strategy that drives real, measurable results for your HVAC or plumbing business. Now let's dive into responsive display ads, also by Google. Now, these ads are different from search ads because they focus on reaching customers even when they're not actively searching for services. Think about the last time you were browsing online and saw an ad that caught your eye. Maybe you weren't specifically looking for that product or service, but the ad got your attention anyway, right? That's what responsive display ads do. They keep your business top of mind across the web. These ads are especially powerful for remarketing, which is targeting people who have already visited your website or engaged with your brand in some way. For instance, let's say somebody visits your website to check out your plumbing services, but they don't take any action and they leave. With responsive display ads, you can show them an ad later reminding them of your services with a compelling offer like get 10% off your first plumbing service. These ads automatically adjust their size, appearance, and format to fit the available ad space, whether it's on a news website, a blog, or even in an app. This flexibility ensures that your message is seen consistently no matter where your potential customers are online. We worked with a local HVAC company that was struggling to generate leads through traditional advertising methods. They decided to invest in a combined strategy of Google search ads and responsive display ads. Here's what happened. Within the first month, their click-through rate for search ads was nearly double the industry average. They were getting more clicks, yes, but more importantly, these clicks were turning into phone calls and service requests. The responsive display ads also performed exceptionally well. By targeting past website visitors with ads offering seasonal maintenance deals, they were able to re-engage customers who had previously shown interest but hadn't yet made a decision. This multi-channel approach not only increased their lead generation, but also improved their overall brand recognition in the local market. The takeaway here is that by leveraging both Google search ads and responsive display ads, they were able to create a marketing strategy that captured customers at every stage of the journey. It's all about creating a comprehensive strategy that covers every touch point that a customer might have with your brand. Google search ads are your front line. They capture high-intent customers who are actively searching the Google network and may be ready to take action right now. Responsive display ads, on the other hand, work in the background to build brand awareness and keep your business top of mind for when those customers are ready to make the decision. By combining these strategies, you're not just building a multi-layer ad campaign, you're ensuring that your business is visible and relevant no matter where your customers are in their buying journey. This holistic approach maximizes your reach and ensures that you're not leaving any potential customers on the table. Let's talk about why all of this matters. In the HVAC and plumbing industry, competition is fierce. Customers have plenty of options, and they're likely to go with the business that's most visible and offers the most compelling solution. That's why being visible at the right time in the right place is critical. With this combined approach of Google search ads and responsive display ads, you're not just getting clicks or impressions, you're building a steady stream of qualified leads who are already interested in what you have to offer. This strategy is all about driving real measurable results that contribute directly to your bottom line. So if you're ready to take your HVAC or plumbing business to the next level, it's time to invest in strategies that work. If you'd like help with that, reach out to my office, 717-901-3461. To follow me on YouTube here, hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, click the like button and let YouTube know that you liked it, and hit that bell if you'd like to be notified when I release new content. This video is part of my top 15 advertising category breakdown series, where I highlight the best digital tactics to drive success for that specific category. In our next video, we'll be diving into recruiting and how recruiters are using digital to attract and hire new employees. Stick around. I might just help you grow your business.
Yo, biz, retail, entertainment, automotive, recruitment, marketing. My skills are explosive. Sweet deals, trade ads, gift certificates paid. Radio's live and local, hear what I say. I build campaigns, fit your budget just right. LinkedIn, YouTube, teaching marketing insight. 7 subs, my newsletter's tight. 3K on YouTube, subscribers in sight. I'm the marketing master, watch the magic unfold. Turn your small biz dream into marketing gold. With tips and tricks, expertise I hold. Advertising mastery, stories retold. Dr. Costau's wellness, weight loss on fire. Radio campaigns took his biz higher. Quadrupled his growth, branding desire. Success and testimonials, never tired. 95 for 5 rule, generate demand. 5% buy now, 95 future plan. 2 rules of marketing, understand, future proof your biz. I'm the helping hand, I'm the marketing master. Watch the magic unfold. Turn your small biz dream into marketing gold. With tips and tricks, expertise I hold. Advertising mastery, stories retold. 30 years in the game, designs my art. Challenge coins for moments, each a work of heart. Harrisburg Comedy Zone, toured from the start. Survived through COVID, laughter is our chart. Cumulus media, sweet deal ads we play. 50 cents for 25, a steal every day. Marketing for clubs, restaurants on display. Handling ads 14 years, paving the way. Customers like Mrs. T's, McDonald's crew. Renewal by Anderson, Meineke 2. Mike D for Platinum Central PA. We get you done. Mike D's ads on radio, second to none. To cost out coins with smart coin tech. Tap your phone, info direct. NFC magic connects in a sec for weight loss success. Come and collect. I'm the marketing master, watch the magic unfold. Turn your small biz dream into marketing gold. With tips and tricks, expertise I hold. Advertising mastery, stories retold. Gray water ops, digital ads I buy. Using my own advice, profits reach the sky. Podcasts for small biz, lessons amplify. Shortening the distance, from now to you fly. Sales up to 3 to 6 for registered tells. Digital tracks, traffic, footfall spells. Duplicating tactics, competition wells. Bring customers, employees, hear the bell. Free marketing, help, or advice at hand. Free tips, expert insights, understand. Decide in your mind, take a stand. With my help, your business will expand. I'm the marketing master, fast and bold. Turning dreams into stories, brilliantly told. With rapid fire rhymes, my skills unfold. Effective marketing, your business takes hold. I'm the marketing master, watch the magic unfold. Turn your small biz dream into marketing gold. With tips and tricks, expertise I hold. Advertising mastery, stories retold.